Twin view, 1 km Nan Hua and QIfa, 520 units. I have a 3-bedder, 3-bath, plus study, plus store to show you. Ultra high floor, 100% privacy in all the bedrooms. Let's go. Welcome to the unit. Kitchen is on the right side. We'll end there later on the right. You can see we got a 4-seater dining area, but you can easily fit a 6-seater. Welcome to your unblocked view. So before I show you this ultra high floor unit that fits all the needs of our upgrader, this 3-bedder, 3-bath, you want bathroom for your helper, right? And also the study room. This study room can be a dedicated work from home space or a place for your children to study. And lastly, you've got a storeroom for your helper to stay or for you to store stuff. So this is your study room. Either you can work from here, right here, or the children have a dedicated study area. So this is your master room, king size bed for illustration, and as promised, this is your unblocked view for all your bedrooms plus your living room. Common room number 1, super spacious because it's connected to the balcony. Very bright, very windy, and super single bed as an illustration. Common room number 2. This room is a mirror image of common room number 1, but with a full-length window, so you can see how bright and spacious the room is. A huge unit must have a huge kitchen, huge fridge space, wash hob, wash hood, and wash oven connected to your third toilet and your storeroom. Twin View has an in-house childcare in the condo itself, together with a Fair Price Express. We are also 1 km Nan Hua, which is a GEP school, and we are 1 km to QIfa. The nearest MRT now is Pandan Reservoir MRT that's ready in 2028. Now we have shuttle bus to Jurong East, just for you. So how much is this unit asking for? All you have to do is ask. I'll see you